Hello YouTubers, welcome to another video. This time we have another purchase from the wonderful world of eBay. It's equipment from Tenma, and I really don't know what I expect to find in eBay. Actually, all I know is I go to the business and industrial section. I see something that I never seen before, and it's quite related to my field. And some more, furthermore, it's old, is unknown to me, and if the price is right, then I just buy it straight away. So this time, we have a Tenma transistor or not transistor, semiconductor tester. So I didn't know about the existence of such a device. It is sold as you see here with a very nice what do you call this, soft case. It's good to have soft case for storage purpose, and it comes with the power supply adapter. Unfortunately it's a I can say it's a wrong power adapter to begin with. Let me take out the unit itself, and while talking about the power adapter, the unit comes with a Archer adapter, which is 120 volts. So it cannot work here because over here we use 240 volt. But nevertheless, I'm thankful that it is provided with the purchase, and it's 4.5 volts, 150 milliampere. Would be useful for other purpose, and of course with just such thing, I'm going to keep it. And what's useful about this unusable adapter is I can simply cut the wire and use this lengthy wire connector as a spare for my whatever adapter that I use in the shop. So that is the unusable adapter that came with the unit itself. Aside from the back itself, it comes with the this video is gonna be the introduction, and I'm not gonna do any demonstration. I'm not going to do any demonstration of the unit itself because I've yet to read through the manual and I don't understand how the unit works and the safety issues in terms of to avoid damaging the unit. So it is currently unknown whether this unit, there is a mysterious currently because it's not out of the case, works or not. Yeah, so it's very simple manual. I've seen this kind of font. It seems to be very old style, so 90s, 80s, very simplistic manual to begin with. Yeah, very simple, straightforward. That is the appearance of the layout of the pictorial, black and white pictorial of the tester. So if in case you want to read this, I've tried to Google the manual itself. Is quite difficult to find this manual. So if you have the same unit or you bought the same unit and it doesn't come with the operation manual, you might want to pause this, and perhaps I'm gonna do I'm gonna pause this very slowly. No, you are going to pause this very slowly in according to your perusing or perusal or your reading, and yeah, so I'm gonna go through page by page slowly. So it says there it has an can be used as with an external adapter supplied, or with a internal battery. I didn't know this unit can use a battery. The controls explanation of the thing. Let's not skip any page. So yeah, okay. Sorry if I'm going too fast. What's that? Okay. So it says here, be sure that no power is applied to device under test and that all capacitor are discharged. That's the downside of all some of these tester, because I wish yeah, those kind of tester that able to discharge voltage, such as, so I can remember now, is those that peak electronics LCR something, or capacitor ESR something. It has a built-in discharge circuit, so you don't accidentally put charge capacitor and spoil the unit. So of course those kind of thing comes with a hefty price tag. So I hope it is clear, everything is readable from this angle, from this length to my camera. So that's the last page. I'm hoping there's one more page here. Normally those kind of old test equipment, they comes normally at the end or the back of the manual itself. It has schematic diagram, those kind of thing. So quite disappointed of such incomplete presentation of this Tenma Semiconductor Tester 172-965. So alongside, let me adjust the glare to my brown skin. Together with that is the probes. So it has 3 probes and 3 what do you call this? A hookup thing. Yeah, test hook, grabber. Yeah, colorful. And let's go. Let's see the unit itself. So as you know, I like boxy test instruments. So when I saw this, I couldn't resist. I just had to do some calculation of my bank balance so that I can get this. So there's a excuse me. There's a lot of pushing around the funds around and planning before I had to decide before I can decide to buy this. So it had to be made in haste, so that I'm the one that's going to be getting this. Yeah. So this is the appearance of the thing. So it has a 2 slide switch here. Again, I'm not going to explain or do any demonstration of the unit itself because I'm yet to understand the unit. So we're going to go through the layout of the thing. This is metal, I think. Yeah, aluminium extruded case. This is the side. So that is the power input. Forgive the glare so that we can see the unit clearer. So yeah, that's the side. At the back here is the information of the test equipment made in Taiwan. So Tenma test equipment, this is the address. I'm not sure whether they're still there or not because I checked on the internet. It's quite inaccessible, the Tenma website. So I guess they were bought by another company, something like that. So I'm guessing this was made in 1995, many years ago. And this is the serial number, model number. Yeah. So let's open the thing up. Try to open the thing up. Do some. I wonder where is the battery is accessed through. So not sure. My seems sticky here, so couldn't be the yeah. It cannot be a latch. Something sticky must be from the yeah, light aluminium. This is on the right, sorry, this is for the left, so we don't get confused, especially when I'm opening a thing for the first time. Yeah, metal threaded screw, very good, like a good multimeter. This Tenma company, from what I can understand, they are quite popular because of the affordability factor. Chosen by many university for their faculty to fill up their electronic or electrical engineering faculty. I mean, not only Tenma, GW Instack also is on the same level. BK Precision. These 3 or 4 companies escort this kind of company are known to make so many test equipment in the past that I do not know of. Every time I go to the internet, I'm always surprised when I Google about Tenma. This thing come out, that thing come out, such as the test center where they have a multimeter, frequency counter, power supply, and what one more? There's one more. Function generator, all in one. It's like a bulky thing, like you have 4 instrument in one casing. Yeah, so yeah, that's the so always surprised to see the attempt of such company or this company in the past to capture some of the portion of the market that is not entertained or that is not catered by big player. So how should I slide this or what? Is there any? Yeah, okay. So I should this is gonna take some time. Let me put this on the camera so I know, so I can refer. I can do some also, yeah. So that shape is pointing that way. This shape is pointing this way. So yeah. So I guess we just loosen this 4 screw on the side, on one side only. Okay. And the bottom 4, that's holding the circuit board standoff. Yeah. Oh, already loose. So might as well I open from this side to release the whatever need to be released. 11 minutes already. Good thing that I'm not going to do any testing on this unit itself. So it's going to be a tear down look inside of this old, not vintage 90s technology. So okay. So yeah, very nice. They have a connector hooked up to the banana. So that way I don't have to solder. So that's the there is the where the battery should go. So it's broken. So good thing it has a DC jack in. So this is the internal part. Let me get you close so that there is a buzzer that I've read the manual earlier on. It mentioned about a buzzer that it can produce sound when it has to. So yeah, very well packed tester. Yeah, well packed for a small tester. So I guess that's the normal thing in the past. They have to use solid state through hole component. This is the smaller size, I guess, at the time. And I like this kind of component because they're easily accessible. If you want to probe around, you want to troubleshoot, you want to measure voltages, and those LED are smartly put there using using a socket. So I guess I can change the LED to whatever color to my liking. Yeah, very practical. Excuse me. Especially in the field where you need to, in case you need to repair the thing on the spot. So I guess there's nothing to see underneath because everything is through hole. And what more can I say about this unit? So there's a space here, there's a hole under here. So I guess the hole there is for you to see whether there's let me take a battery and let me simulate this let me try to simulate. Yeah, if so the battery goes there, and if you see it has a battery, you can pick through this hole. So yeah, very smart. There's one more hole there. I'm not sure for what purpose. I did put a flashlight before I open, see whether there's some adjustment trim ports over there or not. So there's none. So yeah, I guess that's it for this video. about the teardown introduction of this Tenma 72965. Wow, I can memorize the model. Yeah. What more we can see? Uh, can't tell much. Maybe I can tell the year by the marking of the on the IC itself. Let me look through. It's quite difficult to see actually. What is number over here? So yeah, the IC is made in my country, Malaysia. Proud to be Malaysia. So this particular one is a TC4024 Malaysia 9409. So it's made in 1994, week number 9. So I'm guessing this is a 95 production, which sounds right to the serial number. No. Serial number is on the behind here. So yeah, back then we have a lot of American company over here opening a factory before they all run away to China because yeah, it's cheaper over there. So there's maybe probably there's a that is a regulator for the DC in diode, protection diode, op amps, this IC. Can't see much. A lot of transistors. This IC are not is not familiar to me. Never seen this number before. A lot of this TC IC. So I believe those kind of IC are switching IC, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching this very long introduction without any testing of the Tenma. Have a nice day and bye bye.